Don't know anything about crypto? Don't worry. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to get started with Binance from scratch fast, easy, and 100% beginner friendly. First, you click on the Binance registration link I left below the description. This is the link for newbies. Enter email. Password gives verify email. Very simple. Next is KYC. Take a photo of your ID card, CCCD, and selfie in front of the camera. Binance processes it in a few minutes. KYC is important because it keeps your account secure and eligible for trading. Step 3. Deposit. Deposit USDT. Method 1. P2P. You can deposit by P2P. Bank transfer gives receive USDT directly in spot wallet. P2P is completely free. Method 2. A deposit by bank card or use Visa, MasterCard. But the fee is higher. Once you have USDT, you can start trading Bitcoin or other coins in the spot section. Advice for newbies: start with spot. Don't trade futures without experience. No all-in, no FOMO. Register a Binance account using the link below to receive discounted fees and bonus gifts.